How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly cash out or withdraw money out of your TD Ameritrade account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and all you guys have to do is head over to their homepage, and by their homepage I mean TD Ameritrade's homepage, and log into your account like normal. And also I should mention that you could do this on the mobile app itself, but I would recommend TD Ameritrade's official website instead of the app, as the application is a little bit buggy at the moment. So what you guys need to do is log in, uh, and once you guys are past the dashboard, or I should say the login page, and you find yourselves on the dashboard, you want to navigate till you find the withdrawal page. So basically follow this path here. So withdrawal page, and you want to look for withdrawals or transfer money. And once you do, click on that option, and then the website will let you select the account of which you want to withdraw money from. So if you have multiple accounts with TD Ameritrade, you want to choose the account from which you wish to withdraw the funds from. So this ensures that the withdrawal is processed from the correct account. So next, step 4, choose the withdrawal method. So TD Ameritrade offers a variety of withdrawal methods to suit your preferences. So these options typically include electronic funds transfer, or better known as ACH, wire transfer, physical checks, and more. So select the method that you guys would prefer, and you should be ready for your next step, which is to input the amount that you want to withdraw. So enter withdrawal details, such as the information that it asks for, like the bank details, full name, SWIFT code, whatever, and basically just follow the on-screen instructions and provide the necessary information. So once you're done with that, review and confirm, make sure that everything seems to be in order. And there are times when TD Ameritrade will ask for like a two-step verification to make sure that it's actually you who's withdrawing from the account and your account hasn't been compromised. So just do that. If it asks you to do a CAPTCHA, then just do it, and then hit submit, and you should be good to go. So now you just want to wait for the processing, and the processing time for your withdrawal depends on the method chosen as well as the amount. So yeah, there you guys have it. That's how you do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.